Real estate is one of the most powerful tools for building wealth. And the best part? Anyone can get started. Whether you're dreaming of owning your first home, generating passive income, or creating long-term wealth, this guide will show you how to take the first steps. Let's dive into the basics of real estate. Real estate is often regarded as a cornerstone of wealth building, and for good reason. People have been investing in property for centuries, making it one of the oldest and most stable investment forms. Real estate is tangible, and unlike stocks or other forms of investment, you can physically see and touch it. This provides a sense of security for many investors. But real estate is also incredibly versatile. Whether you're purchasing a single-family home, a commercial property, or raw land, the possibilities are endless. It's not just about buying and selling properties, it's about leveraging opportunities in a way that works best for you. At its core, real estate is all about property, land, and anything permanently attached to it. This includes buildings, homes, and even natural resources like water or minerals. Essentially, anything that is affixed to the land and that land itself falls under real estate. But did you know there are different types of real estate? Understanding the various categories will help you decide what area you want to focus on for investment or even personal purchase. Residential real estate is typically what most people think of when they think about real estate. These are the homes, apartments, and condos where people live. This can be a primary residence, a second home, or a rental property. Residential real estate has its appeal because it's something that most people are familiar with, and everyone needs a place to live, which ensures a steady demand. However, residential real estate investment can vary. For instance, you can buy a single-family home and rent it out. Or you can invest in multi-family units, like duplexes or apartment buildings, which allow for multiple streams of rental income from one property. And of course, there's also vacation homes that can be rented out short-term for additional income. Commercial real estate refers to properties used for business purposes. This category